Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry. I know I said I was going to start posting more videos, but alas. I'm a mom of two, so I really don't have that much time to film. That being said, I have received a couple requests to do a review of this bag, and since I've had it for a little bit over a month, or maybe about a month or so, I figured it was the perfect time. I have used this bag a lot. I brought it with me to Paris on my trip with Chanel, so this has been to the airport, it has carried diapers, it's really just lived with me. So before I get started, I do want to say that this bag was gifted to me, so thank you so much to Chanel for the beautiful gift. This here is the new Chanel 25. It is the medium size, so I believe there's 3 sizes. I actually haven't seen the large in person yet. This already feels quite big for me, like it fits everything I possibly need, so I can't imagine how much the large fits. I've seen the small, it's super cute. It's actually still quite roomy as well, but this one I do really love the medium for just kind of like day to day. It holds everything my kids and I need, so yeah, this is the medium. This fabric is the black cotton denim. So surprisingly, I wasn't quite sure if the black denim would match everything, but I've actually worn this with like a blue Canadian tuxedo all denim outfit, and this worked perfectly well. So I really have no more reservations about this not matching everything that I have. So I really do like this option. The black denim gives it a little bit more of that like unique factor to outfits, in my humble opinion. So before I get any farther in this video, I wanted to show you what she looked like on, because I feel like that's a pretty important detail. I have worn this bag with so many different kinds of outfits. I have worn it with fancy outfits, casual outfits, like my pajamas or sweatpants to go pick up my son, and she just really fits in so well. I find this bag super timeless and versatile. And yeah, I just find her so easy to style. So if you think that you're going to run into any styling crises with the Chanel 25, just know that I have worn her with everything. And so far, I haven't run into any trouble at all. So this bag, it comes with 2 pockets on the sides, which a lot of other moms have said to me remind them of diaper bags, which it honestly reminds me of a diaper bag too, but like the chicest diaper bag. So it's so perfect for phones. If you're somebody like me who loses your phone in your bag constantly, then these pockets are a game changer. But I do kind of just stuff them with like everything else. That's a card. I don't know what card that is. I have like a lipstick in here. For your reference, here's my phone. Here's the pocket. It even has like this bulky magnetic thing attached, and there's honestly no problem with closing. The pockets do have magnetic closure, which is nice, so you don't really have to worry about it flapping in the wind. As for the rest of the bag, the shoulder has this really nice leather strap, so it doesn't dig into your shoulder. And given how much this can carry, it's actually can get quite heavy. So I'm actually really thankful for this leather strap. For the main compartment, the opening is this really beautiful drawstring detail. So if you pull it open, voila, it opens like this, and there's a lot of space. I'll show you what's inside. I'm pretty sure I just see a diaper. So yeah, super voluminous. There's so much space. The bags come with an interior pouch that can be connected or disconnected, like this. For me, I like to keep like my lipsticks and my beauty stuff in here just so that I always know where it is. And the pouch comes in a matching fabric with the outer of the bag. So if you get a leather bag, you'll get a leather pouch. So this is like the Chanel label. I don't know. I don't think this camera's doing a very good job of showing it. It also acts as like a little pocket for, I don't know, if you have any cards and stuff. Otherwise, aside from the pouch, there's no interior pockets. There's just a lot of space. So let's see what I have in here. I have an empty bag that I usually put my film camera in, wet wipes, 2 diapers, baby socks, my wallet, paper, accounting stuff. Oh, a bunch of lip balms, which are not in my little beauty pouch, so let's throw that in. Oh, inside my beauty pouch, I have camera battery, pen, lip pencil, lip serum, lipstick. Oh, this is where this lipstick is. Anyways, let's put that all in there. Zip, throw it in. I have, what else? Tissues. Oh, there are other pockets. Okay, I misspoke. There are other pockets. And they're actually really, really useful pockets. I can't believe I totally forgot about them until now. So on the sides, kind of like mirroring the phone pockets on the side, there are inside pockets. So I have my AirPods in there. And on the other side, I have Chanel hand cream. You can also probably fit like a thin water bottle. Maybe not, but super useful. And the pockets actually go really deep. So if you have anything for inside your bags, like hand sanitizer, creams that you need to access and you need to know where they are, these pockets, super nice. When I was in Paris, I would often keep my room key in these pockets. I'm sorry, I totally forgot about those pockets, but they are primo pockets. I do appreciate a bag with some storage. Am I forgetting anything? No? Oh, receipts. So I've taken everything out almost except for the pouch. So if you want to get a good look of what it looks like inside, what is that? Oh, that's my AirPods. Just threw them back in. So yeah, there's so much space. In terms of closing the bag, all you need to do is tighten this drawstring like this. And right here, the drawstring has like this push release mechanism. So that's how you open and close it. And it closes actually really tight. So security wise, if you are worried about a bucket bag while you're traveling around about, like, it closes like this. So, you know, sneaky hands, maybe like tiny sneaky hands you have to worry about, but I wouldn't be too concerned otherwise. And this is what the bag looks like when it's completely closed. If you're curious about the bottom, there are no feet on the bottom. I've never done a review. I've only ever watched a few, so I hope I went through most of the important details. I guess the most important detail though is that I love this bag. It is truly my new day-to-day bag. And there's a place for everything, which is quite rare for a bucket bag. Yeah, this is my Chanel 25. If you have any questions about Chanel 25 or sizing or anything, please let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help. Yeah, I do really love this one. This is my favorite. She's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I'm actually headed to Arizona next week, so hopefully I will be able to vlog that and post a video. But as always, yeah, I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.